Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
A recent cool stretch coming to an end in quite a big way as of late. Temperatures have surged through the afternoon, reaching even close to 90 degrees in a few spots, and it feels significantly warmer when we factor in just how humid it is out there as well. Temperatures sitting at 89 in Rockford, 89 in Sterling, 90 in Savannah, 87 in Freeport as well as in Rochelle, 91 the warm spot in Janesville. But when you factor in the heat index, which is how humid it is and how warm that temperature actually feels to our bodies, it's a lot closer to the triple digits than it is to that 90-degree mark, feeling like 98 in Sterling and in Savannah, feeling like 99 in Galena, 95 in Rockford. This is all because of the humidity that we have out there as well. Our dew points have surged along with those temperatures, with the dew point sitting currently in the 70s for many of us. 71 the dew point in Rockford, but notice a lot of this air mass out to our west, still with that humidity and even more so than what we have today. As a result, our temperatures and our humidity will both be on the rise as we head through tomorrow, leading to yet another oppressively hot day, even more so than where we were today. Lots of sunshine out there, so the Mercy Health Skytrack camera a bit deceiving as it does look fairly nice outside, but once you go outside, it does feel really, really hot. And that's going to continue as we head into the night tonight and really going into tomorrow as well. Overnight, we only drop into the low 70s. With our dew points sitting very close to that mark, that's where we're only going to drop into the night. That gives us a little bit more of a kickstart as we head through the early part of the morning. Our temperatures don't start as cool, therefore they are able to warm up a little bit quicker, reaching back into the low 90s for the afternoon. And that's why we have heat alerts out for these next couple of days. And while it does look a little bit confusing to look at a map of all of them, we'll try to break these down day by day as far as our heat alerts are concerned. So starting with Monday, we have Joe Davies, Stevenson, Carroll, and Whiteside counties, as well as all of our southern Wisconsin counties underneath an excessive heat warning. Meanwhile, Winnebago, Ogle, and Lee, as well as Boone, McHenry, and DeKalb counties underneath a heat advisory. Nonetheless, in all of these locations, we may see the potential for those heat index values to push close to 110, with that potential for the heat to be really present throughout much of the afternoon. Now, all of these are in place because of local jurisdictions as to what the degree of that amount reaches to for the heat alert or heat advisory to be issued. But nonetheless, the takeaway is it is going to be really hot and really humid both Monday afternoon as well as going into Tuesday. Tuesday, a bit simpler, the entire state line underneath an excessive heat watch, which likely will be converted into either a heat advisory or an excessive heat warning, depending on the degree of which they think, as far as the confidence goes for the National Weather Service, as to how high the heat index may get to. Nonetheless, at least I believe the heat index may push 115 on Tuesday, so it may be even a bit warmer on Tuesday than it will be on Monday. With all of this, we have heat safety checklists as well, making sure we're drinking plenty of water, taking frequent breaks in the shade, minimizing our exposure to the sun, and wearing light clothing, especially when you're outdoors, along with limiting that time outdoors as well. When we're talking about heat and humidity as high as it will be, we also have the potential for daily storm chances, particularly as we head into Monday night and also into Tuesday evening and Tuesday night. Both of those days will feature temperatures well into the 90s, but we do get a little bit of a cool down as we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday. The potential for some strong storms during that time with a cold front only dropping us back down into the 80s there for the short term, but some relief on the way as our temperatures return back into the low 80s as we head through next weekend.